How to get powers in Ink Game Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to get powers in Ink Game Roblox. Getting powers in Ink Game on Roblox is all about earning or rolling for power spins, which unlock special abilities that help you survive and dominate the game. So go ahead and open Ink Game first. And then once you're inside Ink Game, it will take you here. So this is how it actually looks like. And here, go ahead and claim your rewards before you click on the store icon, which you'll find at the left side of your screen, and then head over to the powers tab. So in here, to be able to obtain a power in endgame, you need to click on this row button to roll. Now to obtain rolls, you need to go ahead and buy it. So as you can see, you can buy rolls using Robux. So you can also get power spins by winning a game. Whether you finish a rebellion or win Squid Game, you earn a power spin. AFK World, stay in the AFK World to earn one every 15 minutes. Logging in daily can also give you the free power spins, revives, and more. And buying through Robux, so you can purchase spins. One roll is equals to 175 Robux, and 10 rolls is equals to 1,699 Robux. And that is how you can basically get powers in endgame Roblox.